today is called different kinds of animals. Again, different kinds of animals. Okay, as you know that there are many types of animals, and these animals are not similar to each other. They are different from each other according to many points. Let's see how. First point, animals are different according to size. Animals are different according to size. How? If you look at this picture, you can find a group of big animals or small animals. Yes, small animals. But if you look at this picture, wow, it's a group of very big animals, which means that animals are not similar in size. Some animals are small and other animals are big. Okay, let's see next point. Animals are different according to the food they eat. How? Let's see. If you look at this picture, you can see a cow eats plants. A cow eats plants, which means that there is a group of animals that eat plants. Eat plants. The other picture, I can see a lion eats meat, which means that there is a group of animals can eat meat. So, animals are different according to the food they eat. A group eat plants, and a group eats meat. Okay? Now, can you answer my question? What about humans? Humans eat plants or meat? Yes, both. Just a minute. Humans eat both plants and meat. Okay? Let's see the next point. Animals are different according to the body cover. Let's see how. Look at this picture. I can see chicken covered with what? Yes, feather, covered with feather. The next picture, I can see fish. This fish is covered with what? Yes, scales. So, chicken is covered with feather, but fish is covered with scale. What about rabbits and sheep? Are covered with what? Yes, fur. Are covered with fur. Excellent. Now, what about humans? Humans are covered with what? Yes, humans are covered with skin. Do you remember skin? It's considered the organ that is responsible for the sense of touch. We can touch with our skin. Remember? Okay, let's complete. Animals also are different according to the movement, according to the way they move by. How? Let's see. A butterfly can move by flying. Yes. A duck can move by walking. What about the fish? Fish can move by swimming. Wonderful. So we said that animals are different according to many points. According to the size, the food they eat, the body cover, and the movement. Let's complete. Okay, this is a very important point. Animals are different according to having bones. According to what? According to having bones. But before we talk about this point, we have to know what is the meaning of this word bones. What is the meaning of this word bones? Let's see. Bones are the hard parts that are found in inside the body of some animals, there are hard parts, and these parts are called bones. When you eat chicken or fish, there are hard parts you can't eat, but you remove them away. These parts are called bones. Excellent. Let's see picture for bones. This is picture for different bones. And now, all of you know what's the meaning of bones? Okay. As we said before, animals are different according to having bones. Hey, I can divide animals according to having bones into two groups. Animals have bones and animals do not have bones. It's so easy. I can divide animals according to having bones into two groups. The first group have bones. The second one do not have bones. Let's start with the first group of animals that have bones. Animals that have bones inside their bodies have a specific name. They are called vertebrates. Again, animals that have bones inside their bodies are called vertebrates. As every one of you has a name, for example, Ali, Ahmed, Renee, also this group of animals that have bones inside their bodies is called vertebrates. Again, vertebrates. So, animals that have bones inside their bodies are called vertebrates. Okay? Now, look at these pictures. This picture. Do you think these bones are separated from each other like this? Each part in a place? Or linked to each other like this to form this shape? Yes, bones are not separated from each other inside the animal's body, but they are linked to each other to form that shape. That shape is called skeleton. Again, that shape is called skeleton. Skeleton. Okay. Now, read with me. Bones are linked together. They are not separated. Bones are linked together to make up what? As we said, skeleton. To make up skeleton. To make up skeleton. So, bones are linked together to make up that skeleton, as you see. Okay? Okay. Now I have a question. Why do animals have different shape and sizes? At the beginning of our session, we said that there are many animals and these animals are different according to many things. For example, shapes and sizes. But did you ask yourself why do animals have different shapes and different sizes? Now I can answer this question after you knew. But in this group, I talk about only vertebrate. Okay? I mean here, animals, the vertebrates, have different shapes and sizes. Why? Because they have different skeletons. Excellent. They have different skeletons. So, these skeletons give the vertebrates specific shape and size. Okay. Now, here's a picture for different skeletons of different animals. For example, this is skeleton of a monkey, bird, and a giraffe. Okay? Next, look carefully to this picture. This is skeleton of what? Can you guess? Yes, a rat. Skeleton of a rat. But I want you to look carefully to this part. called what? Backbone. So, the part of the skeleton to which all the other bones are linked is called what? Backbone. Excellent. So, this is the backbone. Okay? So, the part of the skeleton to which the other bones are linked is called backbone. Excellent. Now I will show you a picture and you try to determine where is the backbone. In the fish? Yes. Cow? Excellent. Crocodile or chicken? Here is the backbone. And the crocodile? Here is the backbone. Okay? So did you know what is the meaning of the backbone? It is a part of the skeleton to which all the other bones are linked. Okay? Okay. And now let's make a quick summary. Vertebrates, we said vertebrates are animals that have bones. Excellent. And also these bones are linked together. We said that they are not separate. They are linked together to make what? Skeleton. Excellent. So vertebrates have skeleton. And this skeleton is very important. Why? Because it gives the vertebrates specific shape and size. Okay? Also vertebrates have the main part, backbone, the part of the skeleton to which all the other bones are linked. Okay? Now I'll show you some pictures of different skeletons and you will try to guess the animal. Okay? First one. Can you guess what is the animal? Yes, it's a chicken. Next one. Can you guess? I think this is a dog. Yes, it is a dog. Another one. Can you guess? The name is ready. It is cow. Excellent. It is the skeleton of the cow. Can you tell me where is the backbone? Yes, this is the backbone. Excellent. Another animal. Okay, this is the monkey. Skeleton of the monkey. It's very easy. This is the skeleton of elephant. Yes, elephant. Can you guess what is this skeleton? This is, I think, the skeleton of frog. Let's see. Yes, it is the skeleton of frog. Wow. What's this? I think it is the skeleton of a snake. Yes, it is the skeleton of a snake. Turtle. Yes, skeleton of turtle. And it's very easy. This is the skeleton of the fish. Excellent. And last one. This is the skeleton of a human. Me and you. Okay? And here it is the backbone to which all the other bones are linked. So if anyone asks you, do you think the humans are vertebrates? Yes, because they have bones inside their bodies. If anyone asks you, what are the vertebrates? I will tell them that vertebrates are the animals that have bones inside their bodies. Excellent. And this is the end of our session. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.